Hello. To begin this guided relaxation position, make sure you have a room or a space where you'll be undisturbed. You can switch your phone off and put it away. And I would also encourage you to grab some cushions, a blanket, or a shawl to keep yourself warm in the relaxation as well, as you'll be coming into a lying down position. So if you take out your yoga mat, lie down onto your yoga mat and then just place the cushions where you need them. So perhaps one underneath your head, and maybe if you have two other cushions or a bolster, you can place them underneath your knees. And then you can cover yourself with a blanket or a shawl. And then just allow your eyes to close. And as you come into this position, ensure that you are comfortable, that your feet are nice and wide on the yoga mat. Your hands are away from the body with the palms facing upwards. And if you need to make any movements to get comfortable, allow yourself to do so now so that we can then come into a place of stillness where we can let go of moving the body. We can let go of carrying the body around. And we can draw the body down towards the ground, towards the earth, Mother Earth, and where we can feel ourselves being held within this space and cradled by Mother Earth. So as you come into this lying down position, take a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, sigh the breath out fully out of the mouth. Again, breathing deeply in and out. One more slow breath in and out. Just feel your breath now return back to its own natural pattern. Take a few moments to watch your breath, to notice your inhalation, to notice your exhalation. And feel yourself with each exhalation arriving into your body, arriving into this space, knowing that we are letting go of the thinking and the doing, and we're coming into this space of feeling and being. Then from here, we'll start to move your awareness and attention around your body, encouraging your body to relax and to release. And as we bring our awareness through the body, you don't need to move that part of your body. All you need to do is take your awareness and attention there and allow yourself to release, to let go, to relax. So let's drop our attention all the way down into the left foot. Relax the sole of the foot and the top of the foot. Relax your left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the baby toe. Relax your left ankle and the lower leg, the calf muscle and the shin. Relax your left knee, the left thigh, and the flesh in the thigh, and the left hip. Notice your relaxed left leg, and then moving to the right side, come down into your right foot. Relax the sole of the foot, the top of the foot. Relax your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and baby toe. Relax your right ankle and the lower leg, the calf muscle and the shin, the right knee, the right thigh, the flesh in the thigh, and the right hip. Notice your relaxed right leg. Become aware now of both feet, both ankles, both knees, and both hips. Take a moment to really relax your hips, to relax your pelvis and your lower back. Place your attention into the base of the spine and draw your awareness along your spine from your tailbone through to your neck. Relax the muscles in the back, the lower back, the middle of the back, and the upper back. Relax your belly, the belly button. Relax your chest and the heart space. Feel your shoulders drop down towards the ground. And coming down the left arm, relax your left upper arm, elbow and lower arm, the left wrist, the left hand and the palm of the hand, the left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and baby finger. Notice the relaxed left arm. And coming into the right side, relax your right shoulder, the right upper arm, the right elbow, the right lower arm, the right wrist, the right hand and the palm of the hand. Relax your right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and baby finger. Notice the relaxed right arm. Take a moment to come back into the space of the chest and the space of your heart. And moving from your heart, come up into your neck and your throat. Relaxing the neck and the throat. Become aware of your head and your face and drop all expression from the face. Allow your lips to slightly part and your jaw to drop. Soften your cheeks and your ears. Become aware of your nose, your eyes and your eyelids. Become aware of your eyebrows, your forehead, the top of the head and the scalp. Become aware of the roots of your hair and become aware of your hair as it falls down towards the ground. Take a moment here to feel your entire body relaxing. Your entire body relaxing. From the crown of the head to the tips of the toes. There is nowhere else you need to be other than here. There is nothing that needs to be done. In this moment and space, you are enough. You are enough. Continue to relax here for another few more moments, knowing that in this space of rest, you are replenishing and restoring your energy levels. So continue to rest, relax, and restore your body, mind, heart, and soul. In a short moment, we will start to come out of this relaxation. But to begin with, remain very, very still and just feel your awareness and attention coming back to the here and now. Just recognizing the sounds that you can hear around you, the sounds outside and beyond the room you're in. Notice the sounds within the room. Take a moment to bring your awareness closer as you feel the touch of the back of your body against the ground and the touch of your clothes against your skin. Become aware of your breath, knowing that shortly you will wake yourself up from this relaxation by inviting a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. So from here now, start to breathe deeply in through the nose, waking the body up, and exhale through the nose. Again, breathing deeply in and out. One more slow breath in and out. Start to bring gentle movements into your fingers and your toes, your wrists and your ankles. Bring your hands closer to the sides of the body and the feet closer together again. Take a few moments here now to stretch your body however you need. And then drawing your knees in towards your chest, hugging your knees, and coming to rest now over onto the right side of the body. Remain on your right side for a moment, Use your hands now to push yourselves up into a comfortable seated position with your eyes closed for a moment. From here, just taking a moment to feel the energy of your practice and to mentally prepare to go into the rest of your day. Setting yourself the intention of staying grounded and connected to yourself. From here, take a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale the breath through the nose or the mouth. And gently allow your eyes to open. Namaste.